Kaspa holders, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Appreciate you guys as always, but let's take a look at what's happening with Kaspa right now. And of course, what we could be expecting going into Friday morning. If you have not subscribed as of now, what are you guys waiting for? Hit that red subscribe button. Come join the Crypto ZX army. But yeah, looking across the market, you are seeing the market, going back into the green, especially as we are going into Friday morning. So, so far so good. Looking at Kaspa right now, as far as Kaspa price is concerned, you're looking at Kaspa's price down 0.6%. So you're seeing a little bit of a minor pullback, but holding really strong around this 7.6 cents price point. Also down about 1% in Bitcoin comparative market cap, just below 2 billion in the 24-hour trading volume at about 60 million. And what's quite interesting, and something that I don't really understand is people know that Kaspa has not been listed on the top centralized exchanges right now, and again it's missing on a lot of exchanges, and people know that, but yet you still see a lot of people discussing the 24-hour trading volume and liquidity being so low. It kind of goes hand in hand. It's not listed on a lot of centralized one exchanges, and even some of these exchanges that it is listed on, a lot of people are hesitant because of course we have seen a lot of different exchanges being hacked in the past, and a lot of people are very careful, as you should be. So you got to look at it from that perspective as well, and that's why you don't see that much volume coming, for Kaspa, because again, you believe it or not, a lot of people still are skeptical using the exchange that it's listed on. Of course, it is listed on Kraken, again, one of the big exchanges, but besides that, it's still missing the big boys, which I think might happen. But again, we're just speculating, nothing really confirmed as of now. We have been seeing rumors flying around for such a long time, but it is what it is. We'll take it one step at a time. But like I said, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So look at this, guys. Dominance went up to 64.1% just a few hours ago. Since then, pulling down. BTC pretty much still ranging around this 84.6 zone. We did break out to 85.4 a few hours back, but seeing a little bit of a minor pullback once again. Obviously, 86K is something we need to be looking out for. I've said that to you guys on the channel over the last few days, and as of now, obviously, we haven't really broken out of that 86K range. Very, very important. If it's able to do that, I do personally believe maybe dominance starts pulling down if that were the case. We'll obviously wait for confirmation. Right now, obviously, dominance is showing a tremendous amount of strength, so it seems like that is not possible at all, but I do personally believe that we will see dominance pulling down sooner rather than later, especially if BTC were to start retesting some of these levels. I think that would be a clear indication that maybe this could be a reversal into the 23.6 and you see dominance pulling down. But very, very important for the dominance to pull down in order for altcoins to see some upside. But anyhow, with that being said, let's take a look at what's happening with Kaspa's price right now, and of course what we could be expecting. So look at this for yourself. On the hourly time frame, we can see this for ourselves. We did see Kaspa retesting 7.8 cents, so still within this accumulation zone. I really want you guys to take a look at it. Pretty much, I would say, since the 11th of April. What kind of a pattern are you noticing? Nice sideways pattern forming. So nice accumulation happening, for Kas around this level, which again, so far so good. Yes, a lot of people are losing their patience. People are, discussing about, the blue zone, which of course is at the 10 cents price point. But again, you need to understand what has been happening for the crypto markets. There's a lot of volatile moves, especially, with the way the index is looking for, dominance. It's really high. So obviously, you are going to see altcoins kind of seeing a little bit of a lag, which of course is happening for a lot of coins, but still it's holding on to this big move that it has seen since last week, just a little bit over a week. And it's holding on to that move really, really nicely. Obviously, the target remains to be the same at 8 cents. If it's able to break out, then, we would be retesting this 8.2 cents price one. But right now, of course, we need a little bit of more of a push in terms of the 24-hour trading volume, specifically for BTC. I think Bitcoin needs to break above 86. If it's able to do that, I do believe Kas could retest, this key resistance for the first time since March 24th. Very, very important level, as you guys can see. One step at a time. Let me know down below what you guys think. Thank you for all your support. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.